This tutorial is about setting up a Google Drive, and mainly once you've got your Google Drive, how you protect the files that you've got. So at this moment you can see some of my Google Drive. I'll just go down and see if I can find a PowerPoint. Here's a PowerPoint here called primary and secondary sources. I just upload to the internet. Uploading to Google Drive is very easy. Again, once it's open, you can grab anything. I'll just grab this file here, pushed into Google Drive. I just pushed it in. You'll see down here, in a minute it's just uploading, less than a minute. I'll just let that run, but that's how you do it. And you now see that that file is up here, okay, on Google Drive. Now there's a trick. If I click on it, and just click on it, it will try and convert to Google's form. So you have to be careful if you want to put things up in Google Drive in Google Form, okay, then you're going to end up with almost two versions. One is Microsoft Office version, and I'm sure somewhere on this filing system now, if I click by last modified, you'll probably find a version of that plan somewhere here. It'll be in Google's format. So remember, there's Microsoft Office format and Google format. Yeah, to save it and keep it in Microsoft Office format, this is a Microsoft Excel document, then when you click on it, you've just got to download it and it'll stay in its original version, or you can share it, it'll stay in its original version. But if you just click on any file, you'll automatically create a copy which will be Google Drive format. Alright, sounds a bit funny, but you're just making sure that if you upload this PowerPoint, here we are, there's PowerPoint version there, there's Adams there. I had one I was sharing down here somewhere. Teacher Starter, no, I wasn't using that one. See if I can find a better version. That'll do. Teacher Starter. Must have downloaded from somewhere. If you right hand click on any version, no, I'll use this one here. This is a Microsoft, see the PPP or PPT, it's a Microsoft version, the original. If you right hand click on it, you go to share. Now you can type someone's email in there, okay, or you can set up an address book somewhere else, that's fine. But for us, you really don't need to do that unless you really just want to share with one person and that's all they can do. And you can have an option here, you can just get them, they can comment, they can edit, or they can view, obviously just look at. So you just want people to view it, and you get the shared link which is there. So that it says here, anyone with the link can view it. Let's have a look. Anyone with can comment, anyone can. You only want people to ever view your documents if you're sharing them. View, and right down the bottom corner you click advanced. So this one says prevent editors from changing access and adding new people. You don't want people to share. You're shared with them, you don't want them to share your stuff. So stop that. And disable download, print and copy for commenters and viewers, or commenters. Yeah, be drinking too much. Okay, just set it like that, and then anyone can view this link. That'll be fine. I'll just show you that option. Anyone in public, anyone with the link. So just leave it as anyone with the link. Anyone with the link. Save. Here is your two options, preventing them. Save that. Okay, so that's saved. Now just copy the link. Copy it. And that link is the link that you're going to save, okay, or put into Moodle. So I'll see if I can quickly open Moodle. Now I'm logging in like you would. Go down to your subjects or folders. You turn on your editing like I told you before. so you can include this link. You add an activity, going to be a URL because that's what you just copied. Type the name of it, PowerPoint. You paste in the URL that you've got. You've got something in the description. Click on the appearance, you make sure it's in a pop-up. You save and return. That PowerPoint there, okay, is probably, if you log in late, will not be able to be downloaded by anybody you're sharing this site with. Okay, so there's an example.